All right, so I've been working on these little guys right here, and basically it's so I can put an AirTag inside of the handle of Systainer. So I've been trying a couple different sizes. I printed this one out in vase mode. It's a little thinner, prints twice as fast or half the time as this one. This one's a little stronger, but the walls are noticeably thicker. And I made some holes so you can put the AirTag in. It doesn't go all the way in because there's very limited space to make it fit in the handle. But essentially, one of the holes is to push the AirTag out, and the other hole is to pull this whole thing out of the handle. But essentially, it press fits into the handle like this, and it's pretty flush. It's really close. If the diameter was any bigger of the AirTag, it wouldn't fit. So it holds it inside the handle, and the cool thing about this is that you can't pull it out without removing the handle from the Systainer. So I guess that would make it harder to remove it. So I'm going to show an example of, so in this Systainer, let's see if you can see that. So I printed a gray one for this. You can't really pull it out because it would hit the inside of the lid here. Yeah, and it's not the exact shade of gray, but it's pretty close. So it's pretty nondescript. So if you ever have like specifically, you have some tools in your truck, like this is my my circular saw. It got stolen. The AirTag would be in there. I think it's fairly unnoticeable. I don't know if anyone would even notice that it's in the side of the handle there. So it would keep it relatively safe. I would imagine, if it was inside, they might find it. But yeah, I don't know, just a thought. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas how I can make this better, or any other hiding spots that might be better. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.